Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to probably the last little video on that Peugeot bipper van that we got. The one where I repaired the back doors and stuff. Let me show you. This little one. I got my number plates, and where that door was dented and we didn't realise it was dented, I got another door. That's just the orange vinyl wrap. So we're going to remove that today and find my number plates. They're under here. I've got my number plates for it. Yeah, we're going to rip that door off, rip all this vinyl wrap off. It's in a lot better condition, or it seems to be. Let's hope that that wrap comes off nice and easy. We'll do that, get that sorted. Battery was flat where I dumped it in the yard for a good few weeks. It's been sitting about. So I'm going to get that on charge. I have got, I'll tell you what we will do. So a company sent me like a battery checker, which I thought could be quite useful. I get asked all the time to review stuff and do promotions and that, and you know that sort of I don't really get involved in all of that lot. It's never been what I wanted YouTube to be about. I'm not interested in revenue. Don't get me wrong, I get paid for the ads. It's peanuts. It's if we have a good month, you know, a few hundred bob a month or what have you, which just helps towards things. But I get bombarded with emails and can we sponsor this? Can you do that? Can you review that? So, you know, loads of other channels do it all the time. I'm not really interested. Just saying now and again, if something pops up that I think's useful, like this little battery tester thing that I got today, I'll show you in a minute, I'll go and get it out. Then yeah, all right, I'll give it a go, you know. What I have started saying to them now is, if you want me to review something for you, I ain't going to beat around the bush in life. It's shit, you know, I'm telling everyone it's shit. If it's good, I'll tell everyone it's good. It's no problem. But I want one for me to test and one to give away to you lot, because I think you lot deserve stuff for free, if that makes sense. So if from now on I get an email and they want me to do something, then I'll say, all right, send me one to review and one to give away. Simple as that. I haven't got another battery tester to give away, but there was another company that wants to send me a stereo. I don't know why, but the only thing that we can put a stereo in is my truck. So I said, all right, well, send us one for the truck and send me something, you know, another stereo to give away for you guys. And they said, oh, we can't send two stereos. And then I looked and they're quite pricey. I thought, all right. I said, well, send something, reversing camera, whatever you got. At least I can do a little giveaway and give back to you guys for supporting me. Then you lot can have something for nothing. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Let's go and get this battery tester, because I actually want to test this battery now. See if it's any good. Let's see what it's all about. There it is. BT200 battery tester. Topped on. No idea, never opened it, never used it, but we have got quite a few vehicles here and we can check a couple of them, see if it does anything. Crank test, charging test, battery test. Let's get this unwrapped and have a little butchers. There we go guys, the little beaut. Let's test this out. Yeah, don't worry, this is not going to turn into a review channel. You know I'm not interested in all that, trying to earn money and everything from YouTube. The amount of money I spend buying stuff for this channel is ridiculous anyway, to be fair. But you know, when something what I think useful comes along, then if I got half a chance of getting one and doing a giveaway, in fact I'm going to give this away as well. We'll work out how to do a giveaway on this. It might be useful for some of you guys. My actual booster pack has got similar features to this. Enter, I'm presuming. There we go. Don't know if you can see that. Battery test. Enter. Regular, flooded, AGM gel. It's oh, so it does all the modern batteries. I believe this is a regular. CCA. I have no idea what any of that means. We'll go with CCA. 340 CCA, enter, testing. Says replace, healthy 7%, 30.16 volts, internal rated, 340 CCA. Well, that's fine. I mean, I know this is saying replace, I'm still going to charge it because I know the battery was working, it's just gone flat. So yeah, this, you know, it tells you everything you want to know, I'm presuming, and it does a cranking test as well. Exit that. You got crank test, charging test, review data, and language. I'm not going to bother doing a cranking test because I know it's flat. Charging test, can't tell until we put my charger on. But yeah, seems all right. If you've got nothing or no way of checking your batteries, that seems all right. Let's check the other battery I've got here. Right, let's have a look at this battery, just for the sake of it. Start battery test. This battery's brand new. It's a regular flooded battery. Says CCA there on the battery, so we'll click CCA on there. 340 CCA, that says 340 CCA, whatever that means. Enter, it's testing it. Good battery, healthy 100%, 370 amp. It says 340 there, or whatever, but internal rating 80. Yeah, I mean, that's about all I know on that. Handy little tool if it's something that you're interested in having, I suppose. There's my epic reviewing skills. Yeah, topped on. Thanks for sending it out. It works. The batteries are all good. This is on charge now. We'll leave this to trickle away and get charging. Let's have a look at this wrap. Let's see how easy this is going to be to remove. I shall get my heat gun out and get cracking. Yeah, I've just sussed it. What I'm going to do, if you want to win this battery tester, I'm going to leave in the description. There's a link to my details. There's an email address. What you need to do is email me with the heading competition, and in the email just write battery tester, and what I'll do is every email that comes through towards the competition, we'll run it from what we do, yeah, Keith, we'll run it for a week from the day I upload the video, and then at the end of that week I'll try and chuck it all into a randomizer and pick a winner, and one of you lot can have that battery tester. My posh battery charger, my jump pack, sorry, does all this for me anyway, so it's not saying that I'm going to use that often. And if any of you guys do want one, I'll leave the link in the description to where you can go and buy this from Amazon. I must admit, I was very impressed when they emailed me. I said, yeah, all right, you know, I'll test it. Turn up next day. So they come from Amazon, and it's a very good service, to be fair. I can't dispute that whatsoever. I'll try and do a cranking test later on another vehicle. We'll test that feature on it as well. But yeah, that's enough marketing spiel from me. That's all you're getting out of me today. So let's crack on with this job. Let's heat this wrap up, get this off, and I'll see you in a bit. Here we go, that's that lot off. I was thinking, oh God, it's peeling the paint off when I was doing this, but it's actually part of the wrap still, so we've got to get some tar and glue remover to get these last bits off. It was actually a bit of a pain to get off. You had to heat it so blooming hot for it to come off. It was burning my fingers. But yeah, we've got it all off. That's all good. Let's get some tar and glue remover and start removing all these white bits which is left over wrap. We get some of this off. Let's see how we get on. Go. That's all that scraped off. Looks a bit yellow up there where the tar and glue remover's been on, but we'll give that a little buff over. So really easy to change these doors, just a couple of Allen key bolts, try and line the hinges up, and then that's that done. So we'll get that put on. And what I have noticed is the loom that I left in this door and connected it up in the van panel, it don't control the central locking. So I've got to pull the loom out of the old door, which is in there, and rerun the loom. So we use a bit of welding wire, tie it up, pull the loom through and redo that one so the central locking works. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's get this door off, get the new one on. We'll start mucking around with the electrics, get all the central locking working properly with that. There we go, as you just saw, all the doors on, sweet. I just lined it up to the old washer holes and it'll work fine. There's that one and that one. All gaps are pretty good, first go. You're gonna have to buff this up a little bit. I've got the old door out, we're gonna pull the loom out of that now and we'll change it all over. I've just got to take the wood off and the wood off there and take the old wiring out for this door, and we'll remove that and swap it over. I'll try and capture some of that. See you in a bit.
You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. It's just medicine. It's just medicine. You could still be what you want to, what you said you were when I met you. You've got a warm heart, you've got a beautiful brain, but it's disintegrating from all the medicine, from all the medicine, from all the
Right, that's that all done. Just got to buff the back door a little bit. I left all the tar and glue on it, she made it yellow. As you saw in the time lapse there, it was mucking around with that back light. I got a bit of a disco going on. The track bulb holder is knackered, and the plug looks like it's knackered and all. So I'm going to try and go to the breaker's yard or order off eBay a new bulb holder and plug if I can get one. Plates are back on it. Battery's plodding away, charging up. That'll probably be done. I'll leave that in the morning. My little charger just goes into trickle mode after. It looks like it's flashing there, but it's not. But yeah, we're getting there. That's that lot nearly done. So guys, if you want a chance of winning that battery reader, then use the link in the description for my email. Send us an email, put in a heading competition, and yeah, I think that's about it. I'll leave it running for a week and do a giveaway. on that one. All you have to do to enter is comment on the post, tell me you've done it, and give the video a thumbs up, and that's about it really. And then I'll do a draw and one of you lot can have it. So yeah, I'll go hunting for the bits for this, and as always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.